On the occasion of World Pharmacist Day 2020, this is a small initiative from the students of a college to bring into limelight the hard work and contribution of the pharmacists who are the actual directors of the medical field. As designated in 2009 by the FIP Council in Istanbul, 25 September marks as the World Pharmacist Day. So on this occasion, we are here to express our admiration towards pharmacy and pay our tribute to all the pharmacists throughout the world. So let's begin with the role of pharmacy in the medical field.
Pharmacists give life to medicines and medicines give life to humans. This is only the agenda which is being carried forwarded by the field of pharmacy. Today, I am talking about the role of pharmacy. It often surprises me that the perception of the pharmacist among some is still that of a person who stands behind a counter looking grim, performing unseen and quite mysterious tasks that result in delivery of a labeled box of medicines. In reality, the practice of pharmacy today is one of the most important in the delivery of health services. And pharmacists are the health professionals who have the most detailed knowledge of drugs and how they work. Pharmacists are dynamic, patient-oriented professionals committed to fulfilling the healthcare needs of the patients. Pharmacy is a profession that is expanding in new directions to meet the healthcare needs of people.
Pharmacist's duty is not simply preparing the drugs which are prescribed by a general practitioner or other health professional. It is to deliver optimal pharmaceutical care by assessing the suitability of the medication for a particular patient, taking into account their medical history as well as possible side effects and interaction with other drugs that are being used. Importantly, pharmaceutical care also includes engagement and communication with patients, so they are given a clear understanding of the medication, its purpose, effect, and the dosage regime. Within the community, local pharmacists also undertake health promotion.
In recent times, the role of pharmacists in COVID-19 is vital, as healthcare professional pharmacists play a key role during the pandemic, acting directly with the community, continuing to the care for patients with chronic disease, working in hospital pharmacies, and providing pharmaceutical care to the COVID-19 patient. In the fight against COVID-19, frontline health workers have been vital to keep the pandemic at bay. Pharmacists around the world have continued to provide direct patient care and perform frontline duties for their communities during the pandemic.
Due to the inexperience of the healthcare practitioners during this time, community pharmacists have reduced the burden on healthcare system by diverting influx of the patient away from the hospital to training and screening patients. Pharmacists have played various roles in supporting COVID-19 system, such as adjudicating the patient on healthcare services, accessing patient for renewal chronic medication, delivering medications to the patient, clarifying misconception for COVID-19 treatment, contributing to the COVID-19 treatment.
So basically, the role of pharmacy in this field is such that the medical field won't even exist without pharmacy. In the recent decades, pharmacy has been providing a huge scope which will definitely help you achieve a successful career.
The variety of career opportunities within the field of pharmacy is very diverse. While the majority of pharmacists, that is 45%, work in an independent or a retail chain community pharmacies, while the others have explored or created new opportunities for themselves. Various healthcare environments for pharmacists include but are not limited to managed care organizations, hospitals, nursing homes, the pharmaceutical industries, colleges, and the federal government. Pharmacists work in a direct patient care, research, and as a part of the legislative process, advancing our profession forward. Pharmacists play key leadership role in all aspects of the healthcare system.
There are many branches of pharmacy in the medical field. Commonly, customers interact with pharmacists in a drugstore or in retail setting. Some pharmacists also have opportunity to accompany physicians during patients' visits in the hospital. In research setting, pharmacists work on developing new medications and researching the side effects of the drug that may be introduced to the FDA, that is Federal Drug Administration, for the approval process. Next, about drug inspector. Drug inspector is a lucrative career option. This post is associated with good earning and reputation. State government, SSC, UPSC recruits drug inspectors from time to time. Pharmacists employed on permanent basis in central government hospitals like ESIC and AIIMS, in railways, and states like Delhi withdraws respectable salary.
Similar to other fields, India excels in pharmacy as well. About 60% of the drugs supplied to the United States of America are of Indian origin. Moreover, 60% of the vaccine supplied in the world, whether it be Africa, America, Europe or Southeast Asia, are of Indian origin itself. No wonder why India is considered as the pharmacy of the world.
The life-saving role played by the Indian pharmaceutical firms is one of the real global success of our time. In year 2001, Africa was facing major health crisis. Sub-Saharan Africa alone had 22.5 million HIV positive people. The price of the patent drug, which was supplied by the Western companies, was $10,000 per patient per year, way out of reach of average patient. Enter Cipla, an Indian pharmaceutical company with the generic version of the same drug, priced $400 or 1/25th of what the Western company was charging. Cipla's entry, followed with the several other Indian generic companies, saved hundreds of thousands of lives in Africa. Several experts all over the world have held Indian pharmaceutical companies. And it is now widely accepted that without the likes of Sun Pharmaceuticals, Cipla and other dozens of smaller Indian pharmaceutical companies, many African countries would not be able to cope with the public issues they face.
India is perceived as an important player in vaccine supplies for the world. Any vaccine candidate which being produced or developed in any part of the world will ultimately have to be scaled up by India, because it is the major producer of vaccines in the world, and India supplies 60% of vaccines to the world, that all nations aware of it, and therefore they are in communication with India for the vaccine distributions ultimately. Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer, is investing $100 million on a potential COVID-19 vaccines being developed at Oxford University, according to the company official.
Pharmaceuticals and medications are the inseparable part of our life. But have you all ever imagined the world without pharmacy?
Humans were afflicted with smallpox for thousands of years, with death being the end result in 30% of cases. However, modern vaccines eradicated smallpox in 1979, as declared by World Health Organization. Not only smallpox, there have been immense dreadful diseases which have been cured through invention of important vaccines. Do you really think would all of us even be here if there were no pharmacists? Obviously not, because the world without pharmacists is just a nightmare scenario that isn't likely to become a reality. You just imagine you're planning for a picnic and the previous day you feel kind of pain or ache or uneasiness. What would you do? You would just run to the doctor, have a prescribed medicine, get it, and you get very well soon. This is just an instant situation where the importance of pharmacy is being prevailed. Not only the patients need pharmacists, but even the doctors need pharmacists.
So now we realize, until now pharmacists have been the unsung heroes of the medical field. Salute to the hard work and dedication of all the pharma companies and pharmacists for their contribution in the survival of this world.